recite three most significant contributions of PRISA to our country.
Student athletes. They also promote three things. That would be inclusivity, youth empowerment, and unity. First is inclusivity. We student athletes who are gathered here tonight, we came from different provinces. We have diverse cultures, traditions, beliefs, or even social status. But here in PRISA, we are treated equally. We are given the same opportunities and same treatment. That because could develop us youth to be empowered. Because through PRISA, we could gain amazing coaches, amazing experiences where we could utilize it to motivate other student athletes as well and to empower them. Next is unity. Because here in PRISA, as I have said, we may have differences, but we are one. Here in PRISA, tayo ay nagkakaisa. Because I firmly say it again here tonight, loud and proud. As long as PRISA is here, there will always be countless opportunities, possibilities, and endless possibilities for us student athletes.